Hello, today we will guide you through how to use multiple Slack accounts. If you need to access more than one Slack workspace, the good news is that Slack makes it fairly simple to add another account without signing out of the one you're already using. In this walkthrough, we'll show you where to find the account controls and how to begin signing in to an additional workspace. Start by opening Slack and going to your current workspace. Make sure you're on the main Slack screen so you can see the full interface clearly. Once you're in Slack, look toward the top left area of the screen. This is where you'll typically find your account and workspace controls. If you're not sure where to look, focus on the section with your profile or workspace icon, since that's where the menu you need will appear. Next, click on your profile logo or account icon. This will open a menu with options related to your Slack account and workspace access. Take your time here and make sure the menu fully opens before moving on, since the next options will be listed there. From that menu, select Add a Workspace. This tells Slack that you want to connect another workspace to the app, which is the first step in managing multiple Slack accounts in one place. This can be especially useful if you work with different teams, clients, or organizations, and want to switch between them more efficiently. After that, click Sign in to another workspace. This option lets you add access to a separate Slack workspace while keeping your existing one available. It helps avoid the inconvenience of logging out and back in each time you need to change accounts. Once you've selected that option, simply follow the on-screen procedure. Slack will guide you through the rest of the sign-in process, which may include entering your workspace URL, using your email address, or completing any required verification steps. Just continue through each prompt until the new workspace is successfully added. As a helpful tip, once multiple workspaces are connected, you can usually switch between them directly within Slack, making day-to-day communication much faster and more organized. If something doesn't appear exactly as described, it may be due to a slightly different Slack layout or app version, but the overall process remains the same. That's it. You've now seen how to start adding and using multiple Slack accounts so you can manage more than one workspace from the same Slack app.